Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So in this video I just want to show you what kind of strategy I use to earn an income in crypto and to make yield, to earn interest off of what I earn in crypto. Okay, because a lot of people, they just think they can just get online and make millions. That's not how it works. It's not how it works. You need a business, you need the structure, you need a plan in order to make it work. Otherwise it's not going to work. Just so that you understand that. So this is one of my income streams. Okay, this is one of my income streams that I use to earn cryptocurrencies, and I've made here over $124,000 with just this one income stream. Okay, and the way this business has worked for me has been through talking to people and connecting with people and sharing the opportunity with others. This is an opportunity where you can get paid in Tron, okay, crypto, and when you share this with others, you're able to earn an income. And the powerful thing about something like this is that you can be earning whilst you sleep, because when you've shared this out, people who see the opportunity, if they want to do what you're doing, they will get started too. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video that will take you to a page. Let me go to the marketing center so you can see what it will look like. The page I'm going to probably put there, it's going to be this page. So it will take you to this page. Okay, it looks just like this. And with this page, if you scroll down, this video will give you a presentation, a short presentation about what this business is all about. Lion's share. I'm not going to go into all of it right now. Scroll down, you'll be able to read this and understand as well. Yes, you will need a Tron Link wallet. You will need a Tron Link wallet in order to set this up, and you will also need to have some Tron inside your Tron Link wallet. Okay, so I'm not going to run through all of that, but if you're somebody that's interested, I'm going to leave the links in the description for this as well. So what I do is I just earn from this. I earn my income through this by sharing it with people. Okay, I share this with other people, share the link with other people, share it on social media, share it in person, share it online, share it through emails, just share it. That's how we managed to earn this amount of cryptocurrency with 66 people in the downline. And this is how we've been able to get on the leaderboard here and be on the leaderboard for a long time now. Okay, we're number 24. So it's very powerful to earn an income through a system like this. Okay, especially because you have to put in the work, and the work will pay dividends. Because when you start getting paid, what you can do is roll this money into something that's going to pay you interest. And one of the places that I do have some of my crypto sitting there to earn interest is Celsius Network. So Celsius is a company that has a lot of it has about 20.2 billion in assets. Okay, so there's a lot being lent out. This is a lending platform, so they're basically lending to institutional investors and stuff like that, institutional lenders, and charging them interest, and we are getting great yields off of what we have there in the system. So you can earn up to 17% APY paid every week, and you can just put in the amount. Say if you want to see what crypto, how much you get if you have a certain amount of crypto inside Celsius earning for you. So if you have 30,000, you're going to be making around $10,898 a year. For 5 years, you're going to earn about in 1 year you're going to earn about 1,918, and the 6.20% APY. Usually with the USDT, it's a little bit more percentage. See, 8.88%. So this can pay you interest off of what you earn. So you earn your money here from sharing this with others, and then you can put some of that what you earn into Celsius and earn interest on it. Another thing that I'm doing as well is I'm also staking my Ethereum on Lido. So you can actually put your Ethereum or crypto, whatever, Bitcoin, whatever you have. For the sake of this one, I just literally swap my Tron for Ethereum, and then what I do is I just send my Ethereum to Lido. So my Ethereum will be on my Ledger, and this is my Ledger Live app. And all I do is I'll stake my Ethereum through an amazing organization or company, whatever you want to call it, called Lido. I stake my Ethereum here. I get these STETH tokens, and I earn 4.5% APR on these tokens every single day without doing anything. So just from staking on Lido, I'm earning interest, and just from staking on Celsius, I'm earning interest. And that is just interest that comes through. With Celsius, it comes through every Monday. With Lido, my staked amount goes up every day. I also stake on Pancake Swap as well. See if I can see. So I also stake on Pancake Swap. I'm gonna log into my MetaMask here. So yeah, I also stake here within these pools. I stake my Cake token here, and I get 92.13% APY on my stake Cake. Okay, so this is truly amazing. You know, I'm able to earn 3 different places. I'm able to earn from Celsius, paying me that sweet yield depending on what what coin I have in Celsius. I also have my staking rewards coming from Ethereum, and I also have my staking rewards coming from Pancake Swap as well at 92.13%. This is the biggest percentage I have here. So this is Cake, and yeah, this is a bigger percentage. So I do have a bit in here as well. I've just not connected my wallet, but this is a very attractive. So I do like Celsius. I do like staking on Pancake Swap, and I really do like earning my Ethereum rewards here as well. But if you don't have a business, you're not going to be able to do that. So this is one of my primary businesses that I focus on in order to earn this. Okay, you just basically get started, deposit Tron in there, buy the slots you want, and on those slots that you buy, you're going to be able to earn on them slots by sharing with others. Okay, I'm not going to go into the whole comp plan, but this is it. Another opportunity, another one. Let me go to my Rolodex. So I have a Rolodex where it showcases some of these opportunities that I use to also earn as well. So Lion Share is one. Okay, but you know, as you can see, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see that somewhere here. So you can see this is here. So this is Lion Share, which is one of my business opportunities. Another one of my business opportunities is this automated system. This is also a system where I'm able to earn in Bitcoin. Okay, so I earn my Bitcoin. I do exactly the same thing. I put a percentage of my Bitcoin will go into Celsius, or I will just keep it on my ledger and just let the price appreciate, or I just put some of it into Celsius and lend it out. So if I put, say for example, I put 5,000. Say I put $5,000 in here in Bitcoin. So that's gonna get me 6.20%. It's gonna make me about $320 a year. Okay, so this is more than any bank. So Celsius is paying more than any bank. Pancake Swap's paying me more than any bank. Lido is paying me more than any bank. So whenever I do get paid from my businesses, doesn't matter which one you pick. If you're in the Bitcoin business, you can put that Bitcoin in there. if you're in Lionshare, you go to Lionshare, and you can, exchange the Tron that you make, because you earn Tron in Lionshare. Okay, you can exchange that Tron for whatever crypto and put it into Celsius, or change it for Pancake, Cake, and whatever, or put it into Ethereum, into Lido. So it's powerful. So this is my Bitcoin opportunity. This is where I earn my Bitcoin. So if you want to, I'll leave the link to this Rolodex in the description of this video. If you want to earn Bitcoin, this is the business for you. Okay, this is how I earn Bitcoin. You click on this button. It'll take you to this page, or a page that looks like this. It's probably going to be another white page. You just enter your name and email address when you click on this button, this automated system. The link to the description will also be in the YouTube video, as well as my Rolodex, where you can see it all in one page. So they've got Crypto for Beginners training here. This is my Bitcoin business. You can earn Bitcoin here. Then there's this non-crypto business. Okay, so this is my non-crypto business. This is my recommended non-crypto business. Okay, and this is Power Lead System. I earn in dollars here, and with this dollars, I can buy any crypto I want. So, oh yeah, I didn't mention another yield I make is through staking Cardano as well. So I stake Cardano, and this is Yoroi wallet, and this is me staking Cardano. So I stake Cardano as well, and I'm earning about around 5% here on my Cardano as well. So very powerful. So 92% APY here, up to 17% APY here, 4.5% APY here, and yeah, powerful stuff. So I love staking my Cardano, and it comes through every 5 days. My staking rewards goes up every 5 days with this one. So powerful stuff. And what I also do is, whenever I earn with any of my businesses, so for example, this automated system, my Bitcoin business, Power Lead System being my dollar-based business, and Lionshare being my Tron based business, whenever I earn from these different businesses, okay, I take a proportion of what I earn and I'll buy crypto. So it depends on how much I earn. If I earn $1,000 a day, or $1,000 a week, or $10,000 a week, or whatever I earn, what I will do is I'll go and I'll go to not Cointelegraph, Coin Market Cap. So I'll go to Coin Market Cap. I'm giving you just some gems of what I do. So I'll go to Coin Market Cap. So say if I make money, say if I earn this, so this $124,671 here. Okay, this is what I've made overall with Lionshare. So this 6 figures, I might say, you know what, I want to put $20,000 of this 6 figures. I want to spread that $20,000 amongst some of these coins. So what I will do is I will usually look at the whole, maybe the top 50 coins, and I'll say, all right then, so let's look at which coins are in a dip. I don't get too technical with it. I always look at which coins are in a dip and which coins would I believe in the project. So what I'll do is I'll go, okay, look at this one. This one's at 14.78% down. So I want to know what this is. You may already know what these coins are in the top 50, but if you don't know, you might want to look it up. So what I'll do is I'll go, all right, Avalanche. Let me have a look at Avalanche, because it's at minus 14.80%. So I made this 6 figures, and I want to put $20,000, spread them into 4 coins, for example. Yeah. So that would mean I want $5,000 into 4 coins. So I'm looking at this one. I'm saying that it's gone down in the last 24 hours, 14.19%, and it's rank number 23. Great. If you didn't know what this was about, you can check out the white paper. This is on CoinMarketCap, or you can check out the website here. Okay, or you can read the white paper to understand what it's about, or you can scroll down and it will tell you here. You can read it here. It tells you what Avalanche is about here. And if you like the project, and you can look at the graph If you like the project, if you think, you know what, I'm gonna get in, then get in and hold that coin. So I would buy this one, maybe $5,000 worth. Then I'll go back. It's just like you're making money and you just go and shopping, basically. So I might say, all right, then, you know what, I've already got some pancake, I've got some cake. So even though the price hasn't gone into a dip or whatever, I still want to buy some cake, So I'll just buy some cake. I might buy $5,000 worth of cake, and then I might also buy $5,000 worth of Avalanche, and then $5,000 worth of Binance coin, and $5,000 worth of Cardano. And I'll just, the coins that I buy, if I can stake them, for example, if I buy $5,000 of Cardano, I'll just send it directly to my staking. Directly. When I buy it. So I earn this money. Okay? I earn this money. I put it directly into staking. No, it doesn't go anywhere else. It just goes directly into staking here, Cardano. Now, if it's Ethereum, I may do the $5,000, and I may put $2,500 into the Lido to stake it, okay? And I may put another $2,500 or maybe $1,000 into Celsius, the Ethereum, which will earn me 5.35%, and then I put the other $1,000 directly into my ledger, not into staking, just into my ledger. So I've spread it amongst different things. I've got some things in staking, some things in my wallet, some things elsewhere in different protocols. Okay, so that's what I would do. Whatever I make, split it up, buy it, whichever project I want, okay, and then start staking them. Put them into Celsius, stake the cake, put on Lido, and then put on Euro, my Cardano. So powerful thing. Earn, invest. This is not investment advice, but if you're somebody that is risk averse, understand that the price of crypto can go up and down in huge swings. So be aware of that whenever you do get involved in anything business wise, crypto wise, and buying crypto and everything like that. Make sure you're aware of that, because I'm not here to give advice. All I'm saying is showing you and documenting to you what I do to earn my crypto, and what I do when I get paid. So when I get this 6 figures I've made has been split up into various different things, earning me interest every day, every week, every month, every year. Okay, and that's how we build wealth here at Wealth Builders Elite. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks for supporting me. Please like and subscribe. Check out all the links in the description. If there's anything there that you're interested in, I'm going to leave the link also to my Rolodex, and you can just go through and see whichever fits in for you. If there's anything there that you want to join or anything you want to take a look at, you can do through my links inside. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.